reviews. So my review on the Self Credit Builder is that my credit score went up a total of 168 points since being with Self. Now, let me tell you guys, I did use a little bit too much on my credit card. So I'm going to come back and tell you guys another review because my credit score did drop some because of that. So I'm pretty sure my credit score even went up even more than $168, but that is my review because utilization is important, and I wanted to just show this. I wanted to have screenshots of this process, so I used too much just so they can report to the credit bureaus. But 168 points, you guys, and I always tell a lot of people to sign up for Self because I've seen that a lot of people credit scores went up a lot. Now, your credit score can go down with Self if you guys do not pay on time because they will report you late. But I love Self. Just make sure you guys are reporting on time, and you guys should see a great increase in your credit score. Now, they have more reviews on their website, so let's go ahead. Actually, not even on their website. They have some right here on the app. So 4.7 stars out of 5. So you can see right here they have a lot of reviews that you guys can check out. Some people talking about that they was charged a late fee. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they are getting charged late fees. If you guys do not set this up correctly, like I said, it can hurt you more than it can help you. But definitely just make sure that you guys are doing what you need to do. And in terms of paying on time, making sure you got the right account set up so that they can pull the money out of your account, and you guys should be good. Let's see if we can look at some of these reviews here. So again, 4.7 stars. 85% of people gave them 5 stars. 7% gave them 4 stars. 3.1% gave them 3 stars. 1.9% gave them 2 stars, and then 2.4% gave them 1 stars. I give them a 5 star. I really like Self. My thing, like I tell you guys, if you guys are not paying on time, they are going to report you late, and that's like the downside. So just make sure you guys are paying on time so that they don't have to report you late, and then you guys will be good. But I really do like Self, and I can't wait. I'm going to go back into that Self app to see how much they say my credit score went up after my credit card is going to report. My credit card is going to report next week. I just want to do that because I keep telling you guys, like, utilization is huge. If you guys use too much money on your credit cards, your credit scores is going to drop. But you can boost it right back up by paying it off. So it's nothing, major. But I just want to put that out there just so I can show you guys. And I can't wait to have those screenshots just to say before and after, so you can see, okay, Rickita, your credit scores went down 65 points. Yes, 65 points. But listen, the next month it goes back up. Just pay it off. It'll go back up. It's as simple as that. Because some people like, Rickita, you tell me all I have to do is pay down my credit cards. I think it's more than that. I think I need this. I need that. And you don't need more than that. Seriously, you guys, just pay down your credit cards. Seriously, pay down these credit cards. You guys are going to see a very quick boost to your credit score as soon as they report